Good afternoon, traders. This is Anka Metcalf from Trade Out Loud. Today is May 15th, 2013, and it's about 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm here to bring you the dollar-yen update, trade update, and bias for this currency pair. Right in front of us, we have a monthly chart of the dollar-yen, and you can see it right here that it blew right through this resistance point over 100, over 101, and it's heading to fill this tradable void at 110 and even 110.50. All right, so it does have a lot of room to go higher. Now let's go to a much smaller time frame to see how and if we could get an additional entry in this currency pair if you're not in this trade as of yet. So far, this is a daily chart, and as you can see here, we have a beautiful uptrend that is going on. We have a series of higher lows and higher highs that are forming this beautiful, beautiful trend. So right here, the purple line is the support line that was taken out by price action a few days ago, so over 101. So does it still have room for the upside? Yes, it does. Now we're going to zoom into the 4-hour chart to see how we stand into this trade, if we could get an additional entry for day traders or for a potential swing trade. So for the 1-hour chart, you could see the resistance point right here into the 100 level. I'm going to put my cursor exactly on the 100 level. You could see this from swing low to swing high to swing high to swing low to swing high again. So there was a battle right here. It traded over and it stayed above. So right now we're trading way above 101, so over 102 right now, right into this point. We have a lot of support right here, 101.20, and we have found support right here at 102 approximately. So the more the price is going to stay into this area, the more it has odds of continuing higher. Now we're going to pay attention at the chart pattern to the left, as it may be a good indication of how the price action is going to react in the future days. All right, we're going to narrow it down to the 1-hour chart to take a look at the consolidations right here. So far we have a channel between 101.25 and 102 approximately. You could see this 102 level right here, this resistance line. I'm going to drag a resistance line right here, so you can see the line right here that was resistance right now represents a lot of support. So pay attention to 102. And the more we stay into this area, into the 102 area, the more odds we have to continue higher. So this is going to be our watch right now. Even if we get a steeper pullback right into this area of 101.29, we're still going to look bullish. So the question now is, where is this dollar-yen currency pair going to retrace? So first focal area that we're going to pay attention to is going to be 102, and the second one is going to be right into this area, 101.25 or 20. So we're going to look for a buy into this area, these two areas that I've mentioned. Let's take a look on the 15-minute chart to see how it is projected. This is the major consolidation that we have right here. So an entry signal long for this currency pair is going to be once we're gonna trade above previous day's high of 102.40. So we're not gonna take any trades long until then. So we're gonna wait for 102.40, and we're gonna place a protected stop under 102. Or you could give it a little bit of more wiggle room at 101.83. So this is the area that we're going to be looking at. So again, to recap our signals, we're going to take it long over 102.40, and we're going to place a protected stop below 102.07. And if you want to give it more room, you could put your stop below 101.81. For targets, we're going to look, and I'm going to zoom in on the 4-hour chart just a little bit. We're going to look at pivot points, and we're going to be looking for targets of high of today's high, 107, about 73. So that's the first target that we're going to be looking at. The second target is going to be our pivot point levels. So we're going to be looking at the second resistance line that is going to be at 103. and then we're going to look at 103.50. So those are the potential target areas. Thank you. This is all for today. If you like our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/tradeoutloud. Make sure you like our Facebook pages, facebook.com/tradeoutloud. And to find out more about our education and services, please visit our website, www.tradeoutloud.com. Thanks for listening. See you next time.